Hi everyone. In the last video we saw how to create a scorecard. In this video we'll see how to create a drop down list. Okay, so it's very simple. Go to add a control, click drop down list and click here. Okay, so now this drop down list is created based on the gender of the patients. If I want, I can change on the control field here. Okay, if I want it to be based on the comorbidities, then I can do it. If I wanted to have it, we'll have it as of now based on the agenda. Okay, so what are the different categories available under it? It can be either male, it can be either female, and for in few patients there are data is not available. Okay, so this 94 is the number of COVID patients in the year in the month April 2020. Okay, but there are 94 COVID patients in April 2020, but we have a data of 50,000 people, 50,000 patients in the year 2020. Okay, so if I wanted to see how many male patients are present in April 2020, then if I'm clicking this male option in the drop down list, it automatically updates here. Okay, it automatically updates here to give the number of male patients in 2020. If I want only to see how many female patients were there, I'm clicking here, it automatically updates to show us number of female patients. Okay, so uh, one concept we should understand here is that all these controls and all these charts, various forms of representation we are using within the Google Data Studio or interactive. Okay, which means whatever I'm choosing here, it is going to influence the result of what is being displayed here. Okay, in other words, the whole dashboard is interactive. Okay, it interacts, the various components interacts among each other. Okay, and there are various options available in order to uh, have different options in this drop down. One more thing which I wanted to discuss is under the styling option. Again, you can do the routine aesthetic beautification works here. One more thing I wanted to discuss is the fixed size option. Here, the heading, what is the heading? Gender is the heading, and only gender is visible in the final dashboard. Whereas, if I want all the categories under the gender to be visible in the final dashboard, then I can click fixed size. Okay, when I click fixed size, all the options available also stays. Okay, irrespective of whether I choose an option or not, it does not what to say, the options does not go back, the categories does not get minimized. Okay, so the heading as well as the various categories available in it remains stagnant, whereas in drop down only the heading is visible. Okay, so this is this is another control called fixed size. What is single select? Okay, uh, here I can choose multiple options. If I want both male and female and I don't want not available, then I can choose it. Whereas if I'm having a single select, I can choose any one category for whose the data will be displayed. Okay, and enable search box. For example, if there are 10 categories under this heading, and if we want to choose, you can choose by either scrolling through the categories available, or you can manually type the various categories available. Okay, various categories available. Okay, so this is the various styling options and controls which are under drop down menu. Okay, so in the next video we'll see the other control options. Thank you.